Okay, question 25. A model estimates that at the end of each year from 2015 to 2020, the number of squirrels in a population was 150% more than the number of squirrels in the population at the end of the previous year. The model estimates that at the end of 2016, there were 180 squirrels in the population. Which of the following equations represents this model, where n is the estimated number of squirrels in the population, t years after the end of 2015, and t is below 5. That's not too relevant. It's just saying this model doesn't work forever. It works just for this stretch of time. But let's figure out how to work this 150% more. Now, if somebody told you 20% more, you might have seen that that's 1.2, but why? Well, you're doing 1 plus 20%. If you put this in a calculator, you get 1.2. Go ahead and practice putting that in the calculator. I'll do it right now. 1 plus 20 over 100, and that's 1.2. So that's 20% more. Okay, I'm leading up to 150% more. So how do we work on that? So now, if you had 150% more, which is what we have, we would do 1 plus 150 over 100. That's why I wanted to show the example with 20%. So for that, 1 plus 150 over 100, we would be using 2.5. 2.5. Now be very careful. 1.5 is actually 50% more, not 150% more. So we want to use a 2.5. So our choices are B and D. This is out, and this is out. Now, the real question is, at the end of 2015, because T stands for years after 2015, we want to know at the end of 2015, do we want to use 72 or 180? So we have to figure out, we have the correct number in the parentheses, but we don't know whether it's 72 or 180. Well, one thing we know is that in 2016, it's got 180. Now, 2016 is 1 year after 2015. So in 2016, or shall we say at the end of 2016, the T for that situation is 1, because it's 1 year after 2015. So we want, basically when T is 1, we would like 180. And assuming I don't have the first number. So basically I have N equals, I don't have the first number. I don't know if it's 72 or 180. 2.5 to the T. This is what I have. And they tell me when T is 1, I get 180. So this is 180. This I don't know. This is 2.5, and this is in 2016 where the T is 1. If you calculate this, you get 180 equals A times 2.5 to the 1, which is 2.5. This looks clumsy. Let me rewrite this as 2.5A. 2.5A. Then you divide by 2.5 on both sides to solve for the A. 180 divided by 2.5. Let's put that in the calculator. 180 divided by 2.5. It's 72. Okay. That means our starting number is 72. So we'll pick option B, and that's the answer.